to a little bird found in the local train. The presence of a little bird sparrow surprised the passengers in the train and was flying here and there over their heads. You can just watch the chaos that Birdie has created by his presence in the train till he flown out at the next stoppage when the gates were opened and he found his way out. You can just watch this interesting video. The bird is flying instead of the sky here over the head of passengers, and some passengers were thrilled and some passengers were just afraid of